Samsung phone, how to empty trash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can empty trash on Samsung phones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are many types of trashes. If you have the gallery app, you delete some of the photos from the gallery app, it will move to the trash of this gallery only. But if you delete something from your file manager application and then you happen to delete them as well, and they will also get removed and then thrown only to your trash of your files app. Now you can either go to the files app and search for them manually, which is called recycle bin. Here tap the three dots option and tap on empty trash, or you can also come to gallery, tap the three lines option from the bottom and go to recycle bin. But if you want to find all of them at once, what you need to do is you just need to go to the settings option here. Then from settings on your Samsung phone, you want to simply go to the option called battery and device care. Then go to the option called storage. Under storage, here you'll find recycle bin, where everything will include, whether they are from your contacts, from your messages, from gallery, or from my files. You can tap the three dots option and you can select for which trash you want to empty. You can select all of these trashes over here and then you can empty them accordingly if you like. This way you can empty trash on Samsung phone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.